Hey guys, how's it going? I got this hard wallet from the Binance week. I got this for free, and let's go check it out. Looks like it's just as big as a size of a card, plus a little bit thicker. Pretty reasonable. I think you could, if you have a pretty big wallet, you could fit this. Let's turn it on. By SafePAL. And now you could choose either English or Chinese. Let's just continue. Create a new wallet instead of a recover an old one. And then create new. And you could choose 12. And here's where you have to kind of take some pictures, or you have to write it down yourself. There are these 12 phrases. So and now you have to re-answer these questions. And now I'm pretty almost done. So now setting my pin, and I guess I'll do, it should be a secure one, but for demo's sake I'll do 6 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press OK. Please wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Wallet is created. Name my wallet I T V in short. Enter. Confirm. Use as vote. Confirm. Okay. And now you're supposed to download the app. So you just have to scan this code and align it with your SafePAL app, and then you'll be done. But you know, I cannot do that part at this moment. But go do check it out yourself. Thank you.